Let's open my first PR package from Dior. I'm so excited to see what's inside. OMG, the packaging is so beautiful. First item is Dior Backstage 001 Pink Blush. Then, Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette in 001 Universal. 2 perfume samples came in this little cute bag. I'm so surprised with this beautiful pink bag. It's so soft to feel. It also includes more samples. I really love everything I received. The most prettiest unboxing I've ever done. I'm beyond grateful for Dior 2 sending them over. Please like and subscribe for more.